Aloha everyone, welcome back to my channel, Stuff Like Lists. My name is Alyssa and I live on the island of Oahu in Hawaii. And today we will be cash stuffing a portion of my first paycheck of March and also a portion of my second paycheck of February. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is so overdue and today is something different. I'll be combining a portion of two paychecks. So this is February paycheck number 2 and my first paycheck of March. So today we'll be cash stuffing a larger amount than usual, but this is to make up for, I guess, 2 videos that I have not filmed. But nonetheless, I'm happy to be back and I hope you've all been doing well. And guys, we are almost to 800 subscribers here on this channel, and you know, my goal was to do 1,000 and I think I only have a few more weeks to reach 1,000, but you know, I've never thought that I would get to this point where I have almost 800 subscribers. So I think that's super awesome. But if you haven't already, please like this video if you do like it, and please subscribe to my channel. I would love to see you. So with that said, let's go ahead and start cash stuffing, and at the end of this video I'll go over some updates of what's been happening with me. So today we will be cash stuffing a total of $1,060, and here's my little cash breakdown in my little journal. So we have 3 portions where my cash will be going to. So I have my short-term binder, long-term binder, and then I have my little on-the-go pouch. So let's go ahead and get started. So here's my little cash envelope and there's all the cash. So I do have a lot of 20s in here, so that is why it's looking a little thick. But let's go ahead and count. So we do have 100, 52, 53, 54, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 60, 88, 20, 40, 60, 89, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,000, 20, 30, 40, 50, and $1,060. So let's go ahead and put this into my cash tray. That's a lot of 20s, but it does fit. And then my 10s. All right, so let's go ahead and start with my short-term binder. So we are going to start off with bills. Bills will be getting a total of $400. So I'm going to take 100, 250s, and then let's do some 20s. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So I think that's $400. Let's count. 100, 152, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84. So 400 will be going into bills. Alright, so altogether, bills has 1, 2, 253, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 520. 520 for bills. Next is golf, and golf will be getting $20. So golf has 51, 20, 40, 60, $160. Okay, beauty. Beauty will be getting $40. So altogether, beauty has 20, 40, 60, 80. anniversary will be getting $100. So let's do, should we do 250s? Yeah, let's go ahead and do 250s. All right, so we have 51, 150, 170, 190. 190 for anniversary. And that's it for my short-term binder. Next, we will be doing my long-term binder. So first envelope is emergency. So emergency will be getting $40. Okay. So altogether, emergency has 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40. So $440. Emergency is really coming along. All right, so car expenses will be getting $30. So we'll get a 20 and a 10. Altogether, car expenses has 51, 20, 30. So $130 for car expenses. All right, future will be getting $40. So altogether, future has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 260 for future. Gifts will be getting $30. So we have a 20 and a 10. So we have 20, 40, 50. 50 for gifts. Holidays will be getting $30. So altogether, holidays has 20, 40, 50. Okay. Parents will be getting $40. So altogether, parents has 20, 40, 60, 80. 80 for parents. Lucy, Dash, and Ollie will be getting $20. So altogether, we have 20, 40. All right, so that's it for my long-term binder. And lastly, my on-the-go pouch. So this is just my pink glitter pouch. And in here I have envelopes, and these envelopes do not have the edging with the holes. So it's just regular envelopes, and it fits perfectly into my glitter pouch. All right, so first off, we'll be cash stuffing. So I won't be doing anything for myself. Eating out, we'll be getting $40. So 20, 40. And if you're wondering for this envelope, this design is called Under the Sea. I really love it. It's the ocean. Isn't that so pretty? Alright, so $40 for eating out. Next will be groceries, and groceries will be getting $100. So let's do 250s. Okay. And household will not be getting anything. Household does still have $20. And then this design is the flower garden design, and this is so popular. It's currently sold out at the moment, but don't worry, I'll be bringing out more of this in the future, so stay tuned. Okay, so that's it for my on-the-go envelopes. All right. And then lastly, we will cash stuff my 100 envelope challenge. So we have all together left over 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, and 30. So we will be cash stuffing envelope 49 and 80, 2 envelopes. So 49 will be getting $50, 20, 40, 50. Okay. And next is envelope 80. We'll be getting all 20s, 20, 40, 60, 80. So this time my strategy is trying to fill up the larger number of envelopes as quickly as I can and not wait until the end to fill those up, because you know it's harder to fill up the larger numbers. So hopefully this time I'll keep up with that, but I feel like I'm doing pretty well so far. All right. There you go. Okay, so that completes my cash stuffing, and like I said, I just wanted to update you guys on what's been going on with me. You know, I've been on my online store. I've been super busy fulfilling orders, and if you haven't already checked it out, my link to my shop will be down in the description box below, but you can just go on stufflikelist.com, and I have all of these cash envelopes that you see. I have binders. I have this large envelope. I also have a cash tray, this pink cash tray, and then I can personalize it with your name or whichever wording you would like. And then recently what I have come out with is a kids line, so I'll show you a few items. So this one is the skating dinosaur. So this is an A7 size, so as you can see it is smaller than the A6. So this is what it looks like. So this is one of the designs. This is the skating dinosaur, and it comes with 5 envelopes in the A7 size. And then basically, you know, you can fold your cash in half and then have it in here. And I thought it would be such a great idea to do a kids line, because I think that if you have a little one, it would be nice to have them maybe save up for whatever they want. It'll just make it fun, and maybe have them cash stuff with you. I've also had upcoming parents that are making binders for their babies, and then just, you know, personalizing the envelopes to have, you know, a little bit of savings for when their little one is born. Okay, so this is the skating dinosaur. And then let's see, I have other options as well. These monster trucks, these envelopes. So this is the animal monster truck, and these will go into the silver A7 binder as well. I also have the dirt monster trucks. It's a little fun, very cute. Let's see. Lion Friends, this is my favorite. So cute. And this actually goes into the A7 rose gold binder. Isn't that so cute? Super cute. And then of course, put in your cash. Okay. This pink unicorn, very cute. And then this will be going into the rainbow tie-dye binder. So this is good. It has like a little side with card slots if you want. And then here's the envelopes. That's how it looks like. Isn't that super cute? Very fun. Very girly. Okay, and then next I have another dinosaur print, which I really think that this is super cute. And it has like this holographic gold vinyl with it. So cute. And of course this goes with the silver A7 binder as well. And then lastly I have the purple unicorn. Another very cute one. I love the colors on this one. This goes with the purple and blue tie-dye binder. Again with the card slots on the side. And this is what it looks like with the envelopes. Don't you love the colors? So cute. Okay. And then there's also a little slot for a pen here if you wanted to put in some paper, something like that. So this is the kids line. This is the newest featured items that I have on my site. But yeah, basically I've been really busy with my online shop, and I really appreciate everybody's support, and I just love the way that this has come along so far. And in the future I do have some news regarding my online shop, just some updates, but I'll save that for a future video. But yeah, I think that is it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in our next video. And have a great weekend, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone.